To make your Airbnb business more profitable, you don't need more bookings. All you need to do is cut the fat from the bottom line. What I mean by this is you want to be more efficient with your outgoings. Every week there is a new YouTube video about how to make your Airbnb profitable. All these gurus telling you different things. People will tell you to add fancy amenities that guests don't really need, or add renovations that make your listings more appealing. All these things involve you spending a lot of money. As an Airbnb superhost that has been in the industry for 5 years and profited 6 figures each year, I can safely say that those methods don't work. The easiest way to make more money on Airbnb is to spend less on maintenance. In this video, I'm going to cover 6 steps of reducing your Airbnb maintenance costs without compromising on the quality of your Airbnb property. Step 5 and 6 tend to be the most overlooked by Airbnb owners, so stick around until the end and I reveal all the sauce. Instead of playing offense, you want to play defense. So the first step in reducing your maintenance costs is preventative maintenance. Like regular inspections, this can be conducted by yourself or your cleaning team when they do their cleans. The reason for this, you can spot damages, breakages before they get worse. You can also spot wear and tear, which you don't want to have in your properties. You want everything to be perfect for your guest. Step 2, you want to be playing a bit more offensive and defensive because you will need to invest a bit of money upfront, but in the long run, you will save more when you spend. This is called being energy efficient. You can achieve this by installing LED light bulbs, smart lights, which can use sensors that can automatically turn on and off when someone is in the room or space. If you are in a hot country, you can take advantage of the sun and install solar panels, which can give you energy in your Airbnb property. Unfortunately, we hardly get any sun in the UK, and installing solar is expensive, so we don't have that luxury. Step 3 will again require some upfront investment, but this has the potential to save you money for years and years to come. Is buying durable furniture. As I've always mentioned, buying furniture, you don't want to go cheap on things like your beds and your sofas. You don't know who comes to your property. Sometimes it could be kids, kids love playing around. They could be jumping on the sofa and on the bed. So you don't want to be buying cheap stuff which will easily break. That will cost you money because you have to constantly keep changing them. So you don't want to compromise on buying a good quality strong bed. You don't want to compromise on buying good quality sofa which will last for years and years to come. Step 4 is hiring proactive cleaners. Cleaners are your eyes and ears. They are the first people to go to the property after a guest checks out. If you have a good cleaning team, you have trained them well, you are using my checklist, which is also available in my school community. The link of the community is in the description. You will save a lot of money spotting things earlier. Step 5, this may sound a bit funny, but hear me out. Learn how to do things yourself. I'm not saying learn how to be a handyman or handywoman. All I'm saying is have the basic knowledge on how to do things yourself under your belt. Things like changing the light bulb, learning to assemble furniture yourself, resetting the boilers, all those little things. You don't want to be calling a handyman or a handy person to come and do that for you, because that will always cost you money in the long run. Step 6 is developing a good relationship with contractors in your area. So these are like your handymans, handywomen, plumbers, electricians, and other trades, because properties are also unpredictable. You don't know what is going to break. It could be a roof leak or it could be a bathroom leak. So having a pool of professionals to help you when this happens is very handy. With good relationships over time, you can get good rates, mates rates. They can give you discounts because you've used them for a very long time. Those are just the 6 ways to reduce your maintenance costs and make your Airbnb profitable. If you're interested in growing your Airbnb business from anywhere from £5,000 to £10,000 profits per month, check out the first link in the description.